She dashed to school every morning. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. We dash watching the movie when he called. A. Were. B. Or C. Is. I dash him since Monday. A. C. B. Saw. C. Haven't seen. The sun dash in the west. A. Rise. B. Rises. C. Sets. Kick the bucket means A. Play football. B. Die. C. Jump. She is good dash mathematics. A. In. B. At. C. On. I don't have dash money left. A. Some. B. Any. C. Few. The cake was divided dash to friends. A. Among. B. Between. C. In. I dashed to London last year. A. Go. B. Went. C. Gone. They dash the job before the deadline. A. Completed. B. Complete. C. Had completed. She sings dash than her sister. A. Sweet. B. More sweet. C. More sweetly. I asked him where he dashed from. A. Comes. B. Came. C. Come. He said he dash be late. A. Would be, will. C. Can. What is the opposite of early? A. Late. B. Soon. C. Quick. She is dash honest woman. A. A. B. And C. The. Dash you open the door, please. A. can't be, will see, could. He was accused stealing. A, for B, with C, of. The synonym of tiny is A, big, B, small, C, huge. Choose the correct spelling: A, accommodation, B, accommodation, C, accommodation. The teacher asked me my homework. A, do, B, did, C, to do. We must leave now, we'll miss the train. A, or B, and C, because. The phone rang I was sleeping. A, while, B, during, C, since. Let's go for a walk, A, shall we, B, shan't we, C, let's we. He plays football, he. A, doesn't, B, does, C, isn't. If it rains, we stay inside. A, will, be, would, C, can. He's been living here 5 years. A, since, B, for, C, from. They have their homework already. A, done, B, did, C, do. What does look after mean? A, search, B, take care of, C, ignore. He is taller than me. A, more, B, much, C, many. That movie was really A, boring, B, bored, C, bore. He be at home. The lights are on. A, must be, may C, should. This room is dash than the other one. A, bigger. B, big. C, more big. I was born dash 2003. A, in. B, on. C, at. The baby is sleeping, so B dash. A, quite. B, quiet. C, quit. He apologized dash being rude. A, of. B, on. C, for. What is the plural of child? A, child's. B, children. C, child's. She dances dash than anyone else. A, beautifully. B, beautiful. C, more beautifully. They arrived dash the airport on time. A, at. B, in. C, on. My mother always dash early. A, wakes up. B, wake up. C, waking. I dash tired. A, am. B, is. C, are. Let me know when you dash free. A, will be. B, are. C, would be. He told me that he dashed to school. A, goes. B, had gone. C, gone. The word generous means A, giving freely. B, mean. C, arrogant. This road is dash than that one. A, narrower. B, narrow. C, more narrow. They dash a lot of money last year. A, spent. B, spent. C, spending. She was dashed to hear the news. A, surprising. B, surprised. C, surprise. That is the place dash we met. A, where B, when C, which. I'm not interested dash politics. A, for B, on C, in. What does run out of mean? A, to finish. B, to begin. C, to throw. They said they dash join us. A, can. B, could. C, will.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.